Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make an account on Salesforce. To begin, navigate to the Salesforce developer website. Look for the Sign Up button, usually located prominently on the page. Clicking this will take you to the registration form. Remember, a free Developer Edition account provides lifetime access, which is fantastic for learning and experimentation without any cost. Next, you'll need to fill out the registration form with your personal and company information. Be sure to enter your first and last name, along with a current email address. You'll also specify your company name and country. For your username, it must be unique and in an email format, like your name at your company. This helps Salesforce identify your specific account. After submitting the form, Salesforce will send a verification email to the address you provided. It's crucial to check your inbox and click the verification link within that email. This step confirms your identity and activates your account. Once verified, you'll be prompted to create a new, secure password and set up a security question, ensuring your account remains protected. With your account verified and password set, you can now log into Salesforce. Simply go to Login, Salesforce.com, and enter your unique username and new password. You'll typically land in the modern Lightning experience interface, offering a rich user experience. This free developer organization is perfect for hands-on learning, building, and testing applications within the Salesforce platform.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.